first spadeful of earth that was removed to prepare the ground on which was to be built the Navy Yard was more than half made up of human bones. We stand on bones.
2,369,000 bones, bones, bones of 11,500 people. We stand on bones. 2, we stand on 1, 2, stand on 1, 2, we stand to Jesus. Stand on 1, 2, we stand to
It almost becomes normal.
It's like this endless loop.
Do yourself a favor.
All these tragedies,
Look into the mirror.
it's like one scroll away.
You see death every day, and we lose ourselves a little.
diving bell, kiss and tell no one. Just smile through that mask, but then one day your life finds its carousel. Ring a bell, show them your shooting sparks right from